तो ये अभी फैसला हुआ है कि कल जो है ऑर्डर ये कल आएगी। सलमान खान एंड मिस्टर अमित खेमका जो कह रहे थे कि जो सस्पेंशन ऑफ सेंटेंस है उनको बहुत उम्मीद है कि सलमान खान को बेल मिल जाएगा। बट आपका भी काफी एक्सपीरियंस रहा है जब सलमान खान जेल में थे 2006 में। आपके क्या रिएक्शंस है ये जो सारा कुछ हुआ है अभी तक, आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं इसके बारे में?
देखिए कि जेल ऑफिसर्स, जेल सिक्योरिटी और उसके बंदी के हेल्थ और उसके बारे में जो ड्यूरिंग जेल रहता है या उसके परिजन आते हैं, उनके जो ह्यूमन ग्राउंड पे भी जो कार्य करता है वो ही उसके बारे में कमेंट अपेक्षित है। बाहर क्या
मिस्टर रोहन, ये हमें जानकारी मिली थी that yesterday Salman Khan's health was also not too good and you know his blood pressure was shooting up. So in a case like this, जब celebrities आते हैं जेल के अंदर, is there any kind of special treatment that's given to them? जैसे आसाराम बापू, the very controversial God man. जी बताइए।
During my posting,
yes,
in the year of 2006,
yes,
he had come most probably for 5 days. He remained in 5 days. After that, he got the bail. So you can ask me those questions if you have, like
so
how
if you go back to that time, yes, I'm going to stick to that time as well. So how was Salman Khan then when he spent that time in jail in 2006 for those 5 days?
ये 12 साल पुरानी कहानी है।
जी बताइए मिस्टर रोहन, we would like to hear from you.
No? जी हाँ हाँ, he remained in the jail very as a without any disturbing to any officials and all. Discipline rather I would say. और चूंकि जेल में आते हैं बंदी तो एक साइकोलॉजी निसंदेह थोड़ी सी डिप्रेशन तो रहता है।
yes.
उसको जेल ऑफिसर्स कैसे हैंडल करते हैं, हाउ टू मेंटेन हिज हेल्थ, इवन दो कोई भी बंदी हो, चाहे आपका सो कॉल वीआईपी हो या कोई आम बंदी भी है,
राइट
ऐसी स्थिति में जेल ऑफिसर्स की सबसे बड़ी ड्यूटी बन जाती है। एंड दिस इज द थिंग। सो करेक्शनल सर्विसेज के अंदर ये बहुत अहम रोल है जो जनरली आपकी बाहर की दुनिया में ये नहीं जानते हैं कि वाकई जेल ऑफिसर्स किस परिस्थितियों में और कैसे करके,
राइट
ये तो खैर इस तरह के बंदी रहते हैं। अन्यथा तो आपको बता दूं मैं कि हार्डकोर से हार्डकोर क्रिमिनल्स, टेररिस्ट तक रहते हैं।
Right, Mr. Rohan, you know what, we will talk about Salman Khan's time when he was there in jail, but I'll just come to you. I'll just request you to kindly stay on with me. I just have to go straight across now to my colleague Vidya, who was outside the court, and she got a chance to speak to the lawyers as well. So Vidya, now it's been decided that the order has been reserved for tomorrow. 10:30 is the time that has been decided and agreed upon when the fate of the superstar will be announced or decided.
Well, you know, the entire case has now gone on to tomorrow because the lower court really has to look into, the sessions court wants to see the entire record of the trial court. The entire papers have to be brought from the trial court. So since that needs to be the only reason why this adjournment was taken by the court itself, which decided to now hear the case tomorrow. Sessions court do work on Saturdays, so tomorrow it shouldn't be really a problem. In case the court does come to a conclusion to suspend the sentence, it will then do the same, and immediately tomorrow Salman should be back. But because of this one particular reason that the trial court papers have to be sought, for that now Salman will have to spend one night extra inside the Jodhpur jail.
All right, so the bail order reserved till tomorrow. Let me also get in a quick word from animal rights activist Sonia Sharma. Sonia, your thoughts on the entire verdict? There were quite a few animal rights activists who welcomed the court's order against the superstar, but will it check the real menace of poaching, which is rampant in our country?
Yes, Avantika. See, the judgment, yes, I mean, some animal rights activists may welcome it. It's, in a way, justice is there, but the point is that just because somebody has a celebrity status and the eyes and ears of media and the eyes and ears of the whole country is on that one particular case, the point really is that what is happening across the country. Say, for example, across the country, there are mini Pakistans. There are no-go areas across the country in every state of the country, whether it's Haryana, whether it's West Bengal. There are places where even police is scared to walk into those places, and those are hardcore criminals which are creating and putting atrocities on animals on a daily basis. These are repeat offenders who are doing it at a mass level on an everyday basis. So shouldn't our attention be going more towards that? Why? Are those simply vote banks for the government that nobody wants to pay any attention to all of that atrocities that is happening on animals? And this one particular case where yes, it has been followed through and law is equal for everyone, whether you're a celebrity or whether you're a common man.
That's true. Everybody is equal in the eyes of law, but with the conviction of a superstar who's admired by so many, actually send out the larger message to stop the menace of poaching in our country, and especially for endangered animals and species?
See, the question really is that one person who's had 20 years to reflect upon his grave mistake that he's done, it's very true to understand that yes, it is not something that has to be taken casually, and I'm sure in 20 years that message has been put across. But putting a person who can be such a major influencer in society, putting him behind bars for 5 years, is that justified? Or making him do something which probably the Western countries would choose to do is put him into something which is procreative to society, to the environment.
Okay.
Say Leonardo DiCaprio, for example, today if he's believing, and similarly Salman Khan is running his own NGO as well. So I feel that it should be a corrective measure where it is benefiting creation, it is benefiting the society at large, and the sensitivity towards animals. Yes, definitely this drives a very strong message across in the country that it cannot be taken lightly. But not only just one poacher, there are thousands and thousands of poachers who are doing it on a daily basis. All of them should be put to justice, and the same whatever is the law has to be
stringent provisions of the Wildlife Protection Act. Sushant Mehta is also with us. Sushant, so the bail order has been reserved until tomorrow. Salman Khan will be spending another night in jail, and how has that news been received by his fans?
I'm going to show you one hardcore fan. He's an auto driver over here. He's painted his auto with Salman Khan posters. His name is Govind. Let's just have a look at this auto rickshaw first. We're just going to have a look at his auto rickshaw. It's plastered with Salman Khan's posters, and it says I love Salman right at the front. His name is Govind. Govind, आज तो उनको बेल नहीं मिल रही है, आज वो जेल में ही जाएंगे, रहेंगे, और कल अब ऑर्डर रिजर्व हुआ है. आप जो है आपने पूरा अपना ऑटो जो है यहाँ पे मैं देख रहा हूँ बहुत सारे फैंस लेके आए हुए हैं. सलमान खान का पोस्टर. पुलिस आज बहुत सख्त है, किसी को रुकने नहीं दे रही है यहाँ पे, फिर भी आप यहाँ पे जोखिम लेके आए हैं. क्या कहेंगे आज के ऑर्डर के ऊपर? अभी भी आज भी सलमान जेल में ही बिताएंगे एक रात.
अगर मैं सरकार से गुजारिश करूंगा, अगर हो सके तो उनको बेल मिलनी चाहिए सर.
आपने पूरा ऑटो अपना सजाया हुआ सलमान खान को लेकर, और आप बहुत बड़े फैन लग रहे हैं सलमान खान.
बहुत ज्यादा सर. अगर मैं सरकार से गुजारिश करूंगा, अगर उनको छोड़ा जाए तो 10 साल के लिए मैं अंदर जा सकता हूं सर.
नहीं ऐसी बात. लेकिन अगर उन्होंने कोई क्राइम करा है तो सजा तो मिलेगी ना.
बहुत फंसाया जा रहा है सर. ऐसे तो सर हम भी करते हैं, रोड पे हमारे से भी हादसा हो जाता है हिरन का सर, तो हमारे पे क्यों नहीं करे जाते यह कार्रवाई?
आपने जब भी वो आते हैं तस्वीरें खींचते हैं, आप अपने ये सलमान गिव हिम एन ऑटोग्राफ 4 years back when he was in जोधपुर. आप सब जोधपुर जब भी आते हैं आप लेते हैं. इट सेज लव इज लाइफ सलमान खान. ये मैसेज था सलमान खान का, लव इज लाइफ.
हाँ सर, ये सलमान खान का मैसेज है.
आपकी प्रतिक्रिया अब क्या है, क्योंकि आज वो जेल में ही रहेंगे, बेल नहीं मिली है और कल ऑर्डर आएगा?
सर जी, हमें दिल पे बहुत ठेस पहुंच रही है कि ये पता चला कि सलमान भाई आज रात और उनको निकालनी पड़ेगी, तो हम बहुत मायूस हो गए हैं. हमें बहुत दुख हो रहा है इस बात का कि सलमान भाई को अंदर ही रहना पड़ेगा और यहाँ की दाल रोटी पता नहीं क्या क्या खाना पड़ेगा उनको.
नहीं, उनके तो बार बार देख रहे हैं कि उनके जो शेरा है, बाकी लोग हैं अंदर आराम से जा रहे हैं, तो सुपरस्टार है ही. लेकिन सलमान जब भी जेल जाते हैं, बहुत सारे जब भी यहाँ पे जोधपुर में आते हैं, आप लोग क्या ऐसे ही यहाँ पर जमा हो जाते हैं उनके लिए और वेट करते हैं जब तक बाहर ना आए?
बिल्कुल करते हैं सर. बाहर धूप में खड़े रहते हैं सर अच्छे से, अगर हो सके तो मिलेगी इनको बेल आज, हमारा दिल कह रहा है।
जब तक सलमान खान को बेल नहीं मिलेगी जब तक हम यहाँ से नहीं जाने वाले। अगर पुलिस डंडे भी मारेंगे।
Once again, if I show you this man's auto rickshaw, no mood to work today. These guys are no mood to work as police is now telling everyone to leave
today
because
to have the
it's
fans
not allowed
outside the
today. They are
jail,
not allowing
isn't it,
anyone to
Sushant?
stay over here because of the security.
Oh
Sorry,
yes,
Avantika, I couldn't get that.
absolutely. Let me also get in a quick word from O.R. Rohin. He was the former jail superintendent of Jodhpur Central Prison, where Salman Khan is going to be spending a second night. And before I come to you, Mr. Rohin, my colleague Vidya, in fact, is just speaking to one of the lawyers. We'll just cut straight across to that and listen into some more details from Salman Khan's lawyer.
The only suspension of sentence, that is the bail. We basically argued on the 4 points that the London trial court relied on one eyewitness. We say that is not a reliable eyewitness.
Which witness is this?
That PW4 Poonam Chand. Because he said that he saw the gypsy and then he saw the Salman Khan was driving the vehicle and then Salman Khan stopped the vehicle and then fired. This was his statement. We say it is impossible because basically at 1:30 what he was doing and when he saw a gypsy, why he chased the gypsy? Because he stated in his statement that he was not knowing that they were for the hunting. But later on when he chased the vehicle, then he saw that they started hunting. So it is, supposing some vehicle is going from near my place, it is not my duty to chase that vehicle. So basically that witness is not a reliable witness. This was the main argument of us. And the other circumstances on which the trial court relied, I stated that those circumstances are the recovery of the gypsy, the recovery of the weapon, and the post-mortem. These are the circumstances basically. As far as the recovery of weapon is concerned, we have already acquitted in another case in which the weapon was not used. That was the finding of the court. So why that finding has not been taken into consideration by the London trial court? And as for the Honorable High Court is concerned, High Court also dealt with all those things in the earlier judgment of the Salman Khans, because that was the incident of 26 or 28. But the documents are the same in this case. So we say that the finding given by the High Court should be taken into consideration while deciding the case. But the London trial court say that is a different date and this is a different date. It is such a, to my mind, this finding is bad in eye of law, because the question is this, whether the weapons are the same or not, whether the witnesses are the same or not. It is hardly matters whether the dates are different. So definitely dates are different on that cases, but in that case, those documents which was used in this case has been used in that case also. And the High Court says these are most unreliable witnesses, because the only witness which was produced by the prosecution was one Mr. Tiwari, and the High Court said it is the most unreliable witness. How can the trial court now rely on that witness? So these are the arguments which are made, and we hope that we will get the suspension.
So what did the prosecution say?
Prosecution says they kind of look on the this judgment, and there is numerous judgment in our favor, and he has been convicted.
Are they opposing the suspension of the sentence?
Definitely, they oppose. Then the court says, okay, we will give the verdict on tomorrow, 10:30.
So are you hopeful that you will be able to?
I am sure that we will get the bail.
So that was Salman Khan's lawyer, Mr. Bora, who was saying that they are hopeful that tomorrow for definitely they will be getting a bail.
Okay, I'm just going to take a quick word from Mr. Amit Khemka, who's also a noted lawyer. Sir, and as you were saying, the chances of suspension of sentence for Salman Khan, they look very good according to you, because what the judge sees is his behavior when he was on bail during the course of the trial. But another interesting point, that struck me, which his lawyer mentioned, was that there have been also judgments in the past, and numerous judgments in the past from the High Court, in fact, that have been in favor of Salman Khan. I mean, he's been exonerated in the Arms Act, which also might just strengthen his case. Do you think that all these factors are also going to be looked into before that, before the judge decides as to what needs to be done?
No, actually, so far as the acquittal orders are concerned in other cases, like the other Chinkara case and the Arms Act case, the appeals are pending against all those orders. So that may not be very relevant right now for the purpose, especially for the purpose of suspension of sentence. As I told you that suspension of sentence is granted to the person because if the appeal is not being decided quickly or at an early date, or is likely to take some time, that and ultimately if it is found that he was not guilty, then he should not be suffering. That is the primary purpose of granting the suspension of sentence. So that is the only reason, and since he for 20 years almost his conduct was fine, nothing wrong was found with that conduct, so those are the considerations which are going to weigh with the court, and in all likelihood he'll get. The only thing it seems is that the judge wanted to look at the trial court's record before coming to any such conclusion, and to be on the safer side. So that is quite fair on the part of the judge, that he has summoned the trial court records, and he wants to have a look before he grants any relief to him.
Absolutely. Mr. Khemkar, what we're going to do is we're going to stay on the story. We're going to just slip into a very short break. I'm going to go back to all of our guests and to all of my colleagues on the ground who are getting us minute-to-minute information. So the bail order has been reserved until tomorrow. 10:30 is the time when the judge is going to decide as to what needs to be done. But for now, Salman Khan is going to be spending another night at the Jodhpur Central Prison.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.